previously we start about the external memory. Then from that we are learn about the hard disk. There are the two types of hard disk. One is the internal by default in your CPU system, and second is the external that you can connect with your computer via USB device. So there are the hard disk contain the metallic plates. There are the many metallic plates layered to with the each other and with the magnetic coating. It will be store the huge amount of data. Then we learn about the CD that is called. Maybe there is a network issue. Please try to listen it clearly. If I'm not audible, I will be share the recorded video to you also. Okay, so CD mere full form compact disk. It is a very small plastic disk that store and retrieve the data using a light. Two types of CDs. First is the CDR, compact disk recordable, in which you can only record once and read multiple times, cannot be changed it. And one thing more, the CDR store 650 to 900 MB data, and CDRW means compact disk rewritable. Please mute yourself. That is used to change multiple time. अगर आपने एक बार, मैं वापस से रिपीट कर रही हूँ, प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ. इफ यू आर नॉट म्यूटेड योर सेल्फ, माई वॉइस विल बी कटेड टू यू. Compact disk rewritable is used to write a multiple time and read also multiple time. You can see the both of images, and it can be stores the 650 to 700 MB data. Now, time for the next topic, that is the DVD. CD full form compact disc. DVD's full form is digital versatile disc. What is the use of it? It's the same look like a CD, but what is the difference between them? It can be store the more data than the CD. So it can store the 15 times more data than the CD. Not a single time, but a 15 times more. They are also called the versatile disk and store up to the 4.7 to 17 GB of data. CDs में क्या होता था? It can only store the 615 to 900 MB data or 650 to 700 data MB. But the DVD can store the 4.7 to 17 GB of data. Here is the unit used, the GB means a gigabyte. In the CD it is used the MB, that is a megabyte, and GB is larger than the MB. So one thing remember, you have to, it can be stored the 15 times more data than the CD. So that's why it is called the versatile disk according to the name. There are the two types of DVD. First is the DVD-R, you can call the digital versatile disk recordable. Same like a CD, it can be read only once. Sorry, it can be write only once and read multiple time. अगर वहाँ एक बार डेटा रिकॉर्ड हो गया, फिर आप उसको बार बार चेंज नहीं कर सकते. In the previous year there are the movie CDs are there. मूवी की सीडी आती थी जिसमें एक ही सीडी में 5 movies, 6 movies, sometime it will be a 10 movies are also there. That is a examples of DVD are, जिसको हम रीड ही कर पाते थे, उसको चेंज नहीं कर पाते. वी कैन सी ओनली द मूवीज, जितनी भी मूवीज हो. सीडी में क्या आता था? इन द सीडी देयर इज ओनली वन picture is there, one movie is there. In the DVD you can store 5 to 6 movies in a single DVD. DVD RW, what is a DVD RW? Both are look like a same. DVD RW, that is a digital versatile disk rewritable, means you can rewrite it multiple time. ऐसा नहीं कि आप उसको एक बार राइट कर दिया फिर आप उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो. लाइक a CD RW, you can change in DVD RW multiple times. So this is the DVD. Now next one, that is the same like a CD and the DVD, called the Blu-ray disc. It's a same like a CD, and the DVD look like a CDs only. So what is the name? Blu-ray disc. So color is of the disc is blue. It is developed for the recording, rewriting, and playing back the high definition video. What is the meaning of high definition video? The most very wonderful क्लियरिटी that have, जिसके वीडियोस की क्लियरिटी सबसे ज़्यादा होगी, that data will be stored in the Blu-ray disc. A single layer, there are the two types of Blu-ray disc. First is a single layer Blu-ray disc, and second is the double layer Blu-ray disc. A single layer Blu-ray disc can store up to the 25 GB. DVD में क्या होता था? It can only store the 4.7 to 17 GBs of data. But Blu-ray disc में क्या हो रहा है? A single layer can store the 25 GB. सिंगल लेयर जो होगा वही 25 GB को स्टोर करेगा. And the double layer Blu-ray disc can store the 50 GB high definition data. So you have to be remember how much data stored by the CDs, DVDs, and the Blu-ray disc, because they all are the CDs. Okay, next, pen drive. I'm just thinking that most of the students can see the pen drive. सभी ने pen drive देखी होगी. Again I am repeating, please mute yourself. Again I am repeating, mute yourself. Okay. Simply, first we are look for the external hard disk. In the external hard disk, if you want to connect the external hard disk to your computer, you have to be use the USB port, right? Same for the pen drive. To connect the pen external. Anyone have a query about the hard disk? Yes. इंटरनल मीन्स जो कंप्यूटर में बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आता है, जब आप नया कंप्यूटर, नया पीसी लेते हो, परचेज करते हो, तो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आपके सीपीयू के अंदर होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड द इंटरनल. बट आपके कंप्यूटर में आपके पास बहुत सारा डेटा है, आपको स्टोर करने के लिए आपके पास स्पेस कम पड़ रही है, तो उसके लिए आपको परचेज करना पड़ेगा एक्सटर्नल हार्ड डिस्क, जो सेम होता है इंटरनल हार्ड डिस्क की तरह ही, बट इट इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ कंप्यूटर. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड द एक्सटर्नल. एक्सटर्नल मतलब कि बाहर का. इंटरनल मीन्स इनसाइड द सीपीयू, एंड बोथ आर डिफरेंट. इंटरनल इस तरह की फोटो आप देख सकते हो, एक्सटर्नल कुछ इस तरह से दिखेगा. ओके. Okay, so now pen drive. I'm thinking that most of the students can see the pen drive. Most of the students ने pen drive देखी ही होगी. कैसे यूज करते हैं वो भी उनको पता होगा. नहीं पता तो अभी मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में दिखाती हूँ पेन ड्राइव कैसी होती है. आप नहीं तो आपके पेरेंट्स तो यूज करते ही होंगे. ओके, रिपीटिंग अगेन, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. Okay, a pen drive, it's also called the USB flash drive, is a portable data storage device. Why it is called the portable? Because हम उसको कंप्यूटर के साथ अटैच भी कर सकते हैं, उसको रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं, उसको एक जगह से हम दूसरी जगह पे ले भी जा सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट आपने एक पेन ड्राइव का एक ही कंप्यूटर में यूज करना है. So pen drive you can attach with the multiple computer. Even nowadays there is a one small port is come that is used to connect the pen drive to your mobile phone also. So pen drive has a space that can store lots of data. Even you can use for the multiple computers. Nowadays it's also connect with the mobile phone also. It is a small lightweight, removable and rewritable plug and play device. Rewritable plug means you can plug it and remove it. And the play device, even you can change it in the pen drive. Whenever you store any of the data in your pen drive, you can change it in any device. ऐसा नहीं कि आज आपने कंप्यूटर लैब में अपने कंप्यूटर लैब में जाके कोई डेटा बनाया, उसको पेन ड्राइव में कॉपी किया, फिर आप वही पेन ड्राइव आप अपने घर पे लेके आते हो, अपने कंप्यूटर पे अटैच करते हो, so you can change that data at that time. Okay, storage capacity ranging from the 8 MB to 2 TB. Remember the capacity of all the devices. सारे devices की capacity कितनी है, कितना data store कर पाता है, वो सब कुछ आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. Now, next and the last topic of the chapter, that is a memory card. So memory card can be stored, you can see in the mobile phone. जो mobile phone में आता है, it's a extremely small and the flat flash drive used specially in the digital cameras and the mobile phone. कैमरा में भी यूज होता है, मोबाइल फोन्स में भी यूज होता है. It is available in the various sizes. Storage capacities ranging up to the 1 TB, same like a pen drive. Card readers are used to read the data from the memory card. There are the specially device came to read the memory card. Okay, here we done our chapter. So if you have a single query in the whole the chapter, so you can ask me. First, please mute yourself. अगर आप अपने आप को म्यूट नहीं कर सकते तो मेरी आवाज़ कितनी कट होके आ रही होगी आपको.